Hello everyone. Today update is regarding Netflix. We are going to understand the deep details about Netflix. So let's start. Netflix will include its video games as part of its monthly customers subscription with an initial focus on mobile games, said the company in its quarterly letter to investors. Netflix said it would continue to put more money into production as it seeks to increase its shares of screen time in the USA and around the world. The announcement does not come as a surprise, as just last week former Facebook and EA executive Mike Verdes was hired by Netflix to lead its foray into gaming. Verdu will join the company as vice president for game development, leading the company push to mobile gaming, with recent reports suggesting that video games could hit the platform as early as next year. While this is existing news, even more exciting is the fact that Netflix is trying to integrate games into its platform without charging additional fees in the form of its subscribers. Okay. Netflix has confirmed it will include video games in subscription package at no extra cost. In a letter to investors, he said the company was still in the early stage of expanding games, but mobile games would, it was also pointed out. Netflix excel in the mobile games market because it does not follow a typical monetization model. Netflix mobile games will be available to subscribers and not structured around in-game purchases or ads. We have heard little more about Netflix mysterious and games project in recent weeks, but the streaming giant has finally lifted the lid on what looks like its entry into the billion-dollar gaming industry. Netflix revealed new details about its video game service in a letter to shareholders in anticipation of its June 20 earnings, warning saying it would initially focus on mobile games. Netflix CEO Reed Hastings said the company is in the early stage of its expansion into devices, but that these are the early days for expansion. There were also rumors of a possible PlayStation collaboration, but Netflix did not substantiate those claims in its letter. Okay, so you should understand these kind of things. There are no details on the types of games that would be available, but the company has expanded its TV contract with Shonda Rhimes to include features and gaming content. Netflix said that it wants to experiment with the games based on its specific franchise rights. I am seeing games as a new type of content category for Netflix, much like when Netflix expanded into original movies and series like Stranger Things and You and animation. Netflix has been around for over a decade, and with our foray into original programming, the company is in the early stage of further expansion into games that build on its previous interactivity efforts, Netflix said, referring to its Black Mirror and Choose Your Own Adventure video games and Stranger Things. While Netflix faces stiff competition for new streaming services such as Disney and Amazon Prime, the games will offer the company a unique offering built on efforts such as the interactive Black Mirror episode called Bandersnatch. Okay. Netflix has lost subscribers in the North America for only the second time in the history. The company is in the early stage of further expansion into games that build on its previous interactivity efforts, Netflix said, referring to its Black Mirror Bandersnatch Phillips. Netflix will compete with companies like Apple Arcade and Google Play Pass that have plenty of time to add games to their collections. Netflix has weathered a steep slowdown in the new customer boom in 2020, fueled by orders to stay home to contain the COVID-19 pandemic, but as the cloud gaming market continues to expand, aided by Microsoft, Amazon, Google and Nvidia, a new entry seems to be on the way. Okay, so this was update I was telling to you, and if you want to know more, you can visit on my website also, link in description box. Okay, you can support me also.